Guys, this is what I got in my stocking. So I got Oreos, Christmas ones, Andes Mints. These are fire. Reese's Pieces, a candy cane like thing full of them, you know. A Pez. Yeah, it's a reindeer. Cute, you know. Lifesaver gummies. Yeah. Chocolate coins. Gum. Lovely. Space Camp. We love Space Camp, guys. This is the best lip balm, in my opinion. Sour Punch straws. These are so good. I love them. Vanilla Sugar Scrub. Tree Hut. You know, fire. And a mini glow recipe toner. I've never used this before, but I've heard it's good. So, yeah, this is what I got. More to come.